Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about definition of set. So what is a set? A set is a group or collection of well-defined, distinct objects. The objects contained in the set are called elements. So well-defined is clear and unambiguous, allowing for consistent identification of each element. Distinct is unique and does not repeat within the set. Elements are members that make up a set. Okay, so examples of a well-defined set. Clothes, okay? Yan ang mga example ng mga clothes. Food. Then, of course, yung toys. So, it's possible to determine whether an object belongs to a given set or not. So, kung clothes siya, nakasipalit siya sa clothes, di ba? Or hindi pwede yung mango ilagay natin sa clothes. Hindi pwede yung jacket ilagay natin sa toys. So, naka-ano siya, naka-separate. So, let's have exercises letter A. Identify whether each of the following is well-defined or not. So, mark check if it is well-defined, or mark X if not well-defined. So, first, we have the set of primary colors. Okay, so it is well-defined or not? So, it is well-defined. Okay, yun ang mga primary colors. Yellow, red, and blue. Another one, set of counting numbers. Set of counting numbers. It is 1, start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc., etc. Or so on and so forth. So, well-defined. So, set of popular actors. So, pag set of popular actors, magkaiba tayo ng definition or distinction of a popular actors. So, yung iba popular sa tingin ng iba, sa tingin naman ng iba ay hindi. So, yung set of popular actors, this is not well defined. Set of beautiful girls in school. So, ganun din yan sa set of popular actors. So, wala tayong definition or right definition sa ano yung beauty girls in school. Okay? Beautiful girls, magkaiba tayo ng tingin sa kanila. Mayroong iba, maganda sa tingin, yung iba naman hindi. So, set of beautiful girls in school, so this is not well-defined. Okay? Set of face makeup brushes. Ito, so nakaano siya, mga makeup brushes, so pwede siya. So, this is well-defined. Set of good people. So, ang set of good people, so parang ganun din yun sa popular actors. So, magkaiba din tayo ng definition sa good people. So, this is not well-defined. Okay? So, beauty should not come from outward adornment. It should be that of your inner self. So, ways of describing a set. First, how to describe and write sets. First, we have verbal, baliktad, verbal description method. The set is described in words using a verbal statement. Examples: the set of primary colors, the set of grade 7 subjects. So, ano yung mga set of grade 7 subjects? Alam nyo na yun. So, yung 8 subjects. The set of counting numbers. The set of students who scored above 90% on the test. So, muna mga verbal description. So, next, roster or listing method. Sets are named using capital letters. Okay? So, the elements of the set are listed in a row, separated using commas and enclosed with braces. So, dapat yung set natin start sa capital letters. Example, okay, yung set P. Capital letter yan, di ba? So, merong braces, then yung comma. So, red, yellow, and blue. Another one, set S. Set S, that is, yung element niya ay Math, Science, English, Filipino, Aral Pan, MAPE, Values, Education, and DLE. Set A, that is equal to 13579. Okay? So set B, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. So ito yung mga example ng roster or listing method. Next, we have set builder notation. So set builder notation, this method describes the elements of the set by stating a property or condition that defines them. Examples. Set A is equal to the set of all X such that yung bar dyan, ibig sabihin such that X is a city in the Philippines. Set B is equal to the set of all X's or X, the set of all X such that X is an even number. Set C is the set of all X such that X is a multiple of 5. Set D is the set of all X or all X's such that X is one of the first 10 multiples of 10. So how to describe and write a set? Verbal description works well for general, introductory explanations, or everybody conversations. The set builder notation is the ideal for large or infinite sets defined by a rule. Okay, roster or listing method is the best for all finite sets or finite sets with a clear limited number of elements. So describe the following sets. Okay, set A contains the colors of the rainbow. So, colors of the rainbow. So, set A, yung mga colors sa rainbow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, then violet. Set B contains ang mga elements niya dapat even integers between 10 and 20. So, dapat pasok siya sa 10 and 20. So, therefore, set B is equal to 12, 14, 16, and 18. Between kasi sa 10 and 20. So, 12. So, even numbers, ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga even numbers, hindi pwede 13, hindi pwede 11. Pag sinabi mong 11, that is odd numbers. So, ano man ito? Even integers. So, 12, 14, 16, and 18. Set C contains the distinct letters in the word mathematics. So, set C, M-A-T-H-E-I-C-S. So, hindi siya pwedeng ibalik yung M. So, isang beses lang. Okay? So, elements of a set. Suppose that the set of students who were born in June is named set A. Jenny is born in June. So, therefore, Jenny is an element of set A. Means, Jenny is an element of set A. Jed is born in February. So, Jed is not an element of A or is not an element of set A. Okay? So, fill each blank with element or is not element. Yan ang symbol ng element. Set A, even numbers between 0 and 10. Set B, letters of the alphabet between C and J. So, number 1. 2 is an element or not. Okay? Tingnan natin sa set A, mga even numbers between 0 and 10. Yes, this is an element. So, 2 is an element of A. 5. Kasama ba siya? Even numbers. So, take note, this is even numbers. So, 5 is not an element of A or set A. What about 12? So, element or not? So, this is not an element kasi lampas na siya. Dapat hanggang from 0 to 10 lang siya na even numbers. Is not an element of set A. Number 4. Letters of the alphabet between C and J. So, B, element pa? No. Oh, so this is not an element of set B. G. Yes, this is an element of set B. What about E? Yes, this is an element of, E is an element of set B. Okay, so yan na po yung topic natin. At maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, at paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.